Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Kalera and today I will share with you the 3 ultimate master tips which will really help you to improve your communication skills. And definitely guys, believe on me, this will boost up your conversation skills in English and you will definitely be fluent in English. And guys, these are those kind of tips, these are tested tips which helped me to improve my English. And yes, now for sure I can say that I can speak English. I will not say that I am very good in English, but yes, I can speak English without taking break, without taking pauses, without using even the filler words. So I'll share with you those kind of tips because if these tips help me to improve my English, of course, they will also help you to boost up your day-to-day conversation skills in English. And of course, after watching this video, I make sure guys that you will need not to worry about your conversation skills. So without taking any delay, let's begin. So the first tip which I wanna share with you is listening. Yes guys, if you wanna master in any particular language, in any particular dialect, in any particular accent, so in that case you have to listen that language. For example, English, of course, it's a new language for us. Hindi is our mother tongue and we often speak in Hindi. Everybody, every person who are surrounding with us, whom we surround, they will speak up in Hindi. That's why we are very fond of Hindi. We are very comfortable in speaking in Hindi. That is the main reason why we are unable to learn English very easily. So that's what guys I wanna share with you, that you have to surround yourself with English. You have to make such an atmosphere around you of English. For example, let's say if you are fond of watching TV, if you are fond of watching movies, if you are fond of watching comedy videos, if you are fond of listening music, if you are fond of let's say if you are fond of watching news, so you can watch these kind of shows in English. There are a lot of channels over YouTube and over other platforms which provides you the same information in English. You can watch them instead of watching these particular items in your own native language or in Hindi. You can watch them in English. So this is the first tip which helped me a lot, because at the very first time when I firstly started learning English, it was of course very difficult for me to learn English, because as I'm from Rajasthan and Rajasthan is, guys, a Hindi speaking state and everybody speaks in Hindi. So for the very first time I found a lot of difficulties in learning English. But today I am so good in English that I can of course say to you, this is just because I surround myself with an English atmosphere, and I take a help by watching these kind of movies, because literally I am very fond of watching movies. I watch English dubbed movies for the very first time. So you can implement this trick with you, and I assure you that within 2 to 3 months you will definitely able to speak at least your day-to-day conversation. You will able to speak in English. So moving to our second tip, which is reading. Yes guys, by the way, reading, I do not mean about reading that you should read English novels, you should read a lot of books in English, you should read English newspapers, because all of these things didn't work for me. And literally for the very first time I always used to read these kind of newspapers. I always used to read English books, English novels, but it didn't work for me. I really worked hard over it, over a month, I think it would be 2 to 3 months when I was working this, but it didn't work for me. Then I tried to read the captions. For example, when I watched any of the video, I always watched the English videos for the very first time. Then guys, it worked for me. And yes, if it worked for me, so of course it will work for you. But a lot of people says that they do not know how they can read the captions along with listening. So for that I'll make a separate session that how you can manage both the things. There is a separate method. There is a method very important for doing this, for pursuing it. So for that I'll make a separate video along with the third master tip which we'll explore in the next video. Otherwise it will take too long to explain it. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and yes, very most important thing is that keep listening, because listening plays a very important role in your communication skills. in your conversation skills in any of the language. It's not just because of English. It may be for the any of the language you wanna listen. Okay, you wanna learn, you wanna master that language. Of course, it takes a time, but it will surely be. And thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning, keep watching, and yes, keep listening. Bye.